Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this smoky blue glitter Arabic eye look for you. This is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Brights, and I'm taking this blue shade in the corner on a flat shader brush and patting this all over the lid. I have used tape for the corner of my eye for a sharper edge, and instead of using the whole width of the tape, I've cut them into small triangle pieces. I'm now going to take the same shade, but I'm going to swap my brush for a more large fluffy blending brush and apply this into the crease. I'm now going to take a matte black shade. This is Noir from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm using a small pencil brush running along the side of the tape and then blending it out with a Sigma E36 brush. Then I'm going to take that blue shade and run this along my lower lash line. I'm going to line my waterline with the Rimmel Scandal Eyes waterproof Kohl pencil. I'm taking the Maybelline gel liner and creating a straight line along the lash line and then a thin line along the tape. I'm not creating a wing today, I just concentrate on making a straight line on the lash line. I'm going to take that matte black shade again and smudge this in with the Kohl pencil and then go along the side of the tape as well. I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer as my base since I'm going to be using loose glitter today. And the loose glitter I'm using is by NYX as well in the shade Violet, and I'm just patting this all over my lid. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some falsies and then finish the look up with some mascara. And also remove the tapes. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed watching this, give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more Arabic makeup looks, then please subscribe. All the products I've mentioned today are listed below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!